Are you looking for the best spiral curling irons in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best spiral curling irons that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Hosanne Curling Professional Iron. If you want to get those beautiful and loose hairstyles professionally without a considerable freeze, then Hosanne Curling Professional Iron 3/4 inches is the best option for you. Using tourmaline ceramic technology, it keeps the hair moist enough to help you get an excellent curl. It is easy to control the temperature. You can modify the temperature from 225 degrees F to 450 degrees F depending upon your curling requirements. It comes with an LCD to help you control the temperature conveniently. It comes with an insulated wand tip which makes it safe and powerful to use. Also, it offers a swivel long power cord to provide you with a lot of flexibility. It involves a PTC heater which helps in heating in about seconds after you press the heat button. At number 4, uvistaire Professional Curling Iron. We all have many questions while buying a curling iron. One of the top questions is that, is it entirely safe for use? uvistaire Professional Curling Iron is the best choice for you if safety is your priority. With a double insulation system, in addition to this, it features an insulated pair of gloves, so without any worries, you can comfortably use it to get the best curls. You can adjust the temperatures between 300 degrees F and 410 degrees F to provide instant heating in just 30 seconds. It features a PTC heating system. Note that the unit contains 6 tourmaline ceramic barrels, making it more versatile and helps to give the best performance. Like other curling irons, it helps to keep your hair moist for perfect curling or styling. At number 3, PARWIN Beauty Curling Iron. The number of interchangeable barrels matters a lot when it comes to buying the best curling iron. PARWIN Beauty Curling Iron comes with up to 7 barrels of varying sizes. These barrels help you to get big curls, ringlets, etc. depending upon your individual needs. It offers a power cord of length 8 feet along with a swivel. So, you don't need to struggle to get those curls. In addition to the above features, it also has an LCD which helps in the regulation of temperature in a much more comfortable and convenient manner. You can adjust the temperature between 170 degrees F to 450 degrees F. It also comes with an auto shut-off system. At number 2, Anju 1.25 inches Curling Iron. Anju 1.25 inches Curling Iron is a multi-functional curling iron that can be used for a variety of purposes no matter what kind of style you need or the kind of hair you have. It features a PTC heating system which helps in heating in almost seconds. The temperature is adjustable between 200 to 410 degrees depending upon your requirements of styling. Since it has an anti-scalding wand, it is highly safe to use. It is comfortably cool to touch. With an ergonomic design, it should be an ideal choice for you. At number 1, Remington Pro Curling Iron. This ceramic curling iron is a very versatile and lovely curling iron. It is highly suitable for personal as well as commercial needs. You can choose from 10 varying temperatures according to your needs. It heats up to a maximum temperature of 410 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is very suitable for both soft as well as thick curls. Moreover, it does not cause any damage to the hair, and you can get the perfect curls quickly. It helps in keeping the hair sufficiently moist for styling. This unit comes with barrel sizes ranging from 1 to 1.5 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.